Listen to me wherever you are watching me. You can never be blessed when you are not doing anything. God can never bless you. God can never bless you when you are not starting anything. You are not working. You are not selling anything. God can never bless you. God can bless you through what you have. The little what you have, God will expand it. So wherever you are watching me. Wherever you are watching me. Make sure, may God bless you through what you have. From what you have, God will use to expand your blood, make you go forward, to make you succeed in this life. You are blessed to bless others. Share this video. Your life can never remain the same.